setup today, or my Dow Jones day trade setup for today, and hopefully we can help you with what I'm looking at. So first things first, we have this area of which was resistance. You can see how many times we tagged this area. We turned it into support right here, and then at the moment we are pretty much just hovering in and out of it. There is another level slightly further down, and that is the area that we are kind of paying attention to right now, and that is 27,100. Okay, so let's just get down to the business end of this. So we had this pretty big move down, which engulfs a lot of the previous 3-hour bars, and now we're sort of meandering back to the upside. I think we're coming back into an area we need to be paying attention, which is 27,513. That area there looks like there is resistance there, and it's a bit of retracement for another move to the downside. So before we start questioning the term downside, the trend is up. Okay, so I'm expecting consolidation here. I'm not expecting anything worse than that. So we have this area here, 27,103, 27,100, which really wasn't tagged yesterday. We came close to it, but we really didn't tag it. So what we did tag was this inside Brooks gap here, and double bottom off that. This double bottom target pretty much targets the top here. So yeah, I suppose the only way to do this right now is just do it like that. Trend is up. We are consolidating at the moment, so the question is, are we consolidating for a move up or for a move down? So the move down would kind of be this, you could call this a shoulder, head, shoulder, or you could call it a cup and handle. Bottom line is it needs to break below 27,144 for that to be of any interest to us. Okay. This 27,500 area here is going to offer quite a bit of support, or sorry, resistance at the moment as well. So yeah, I think for me it's kind of sit on hands here. I don't see anything really interesting. There's been a lot of, you can see yesterday's price action, big move down, and then confusion for the rest of the day. Okay, we have come down and tested different levels. I mean, this was, you can see here we tested this once, twice, then broke through it, and then after hours I've rallied through it. So yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical. What we do have at the moment is a bit of a flag. You can see there is our rally, and let's make this chart really busy for you. There's our flag at the moment. Okay, so you would expect another move up, and that move up more than likely going to come and tag the top levels here. Okay, so if we just come back to the hour and delete all the noise, there's nothing really on offer here. I want to see a deeper pullback. This is not pulling back to an area that, well, it's not pulling back at all, in actual fact. So, for me, I'm looking for a deeper pullback, much deeper pullback, in order to get back in on this. One thing that's worrying me here is this parabolic curve that is forming. So you can see there's the first trend line, and there is the second trend line, and you can see how we broke above it, and we're using that trend line as support at the moment. And if I draw another trend line in here, you get the picture. We're rounding like this. Okay. So yeah, I don't really see any opportunities here at the moment. Long it is, there's no doubt about that. But what we're looking for is some kind of a level to bounce off. And whenever you see price going sideways like this, yeah, it's not something that I want to be trading anyway. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys, there's there's really nothing on offer here. I don't see anything here. I think there's going to be a couple more opportunities elsewhere. But until this breaks through, so it's either going to break through the upside here of 27,622, or it needs to break below the downside here of 27,014. Until that happens, this is mucking around in the middle of that range, and that's not something you want to be trading. Okay, so for me at the moment, sit on hands, wait for this to do something. It could be a head and shoulders, it could be just a continuation to the upside. It's either or at the moment. You might as well just toss a coin in. Heads it's longs and tails short. And that's the situation at the moment. So we need to see one of these levels break. When we see one of these levels break, and you can watch it on the 15, so you'll want to see a break and a retest on the 15, or a break and a retest on the 15. That's going to give you the direction that you need to be trading in. Okay, so until then, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not getting involved in this. Hope that helps, and if you like what you see here, give us a thumbs up, give us a like. We are trying to grow the channel, and would appreciate every bit of support we get. Thanks very much. Catch you guys later. Cheers for now.